What's going on, guys? So one of the things that I really hate about making my Xbox X series look aesthetic is the fact that those skin that you laminate or you paste on here, I really don't like that at all. But I found a solution with the magnetic case. I don't know if you guys have seen these before, but I've seen one or two around, and I finally picked up one. Anyway, this one right here is from a company called NOWSKINS, and it's a magnetic case. So what that means is that when you're done with it, you just unmagnetize it. I guess that's what I would say, to unmagnetize this thing. But anyway, I was just checking to see if my mic is on now when I'm talking. Okay. So let's see here. Check out the design on this. Pretty cool, right? It's got the nice little red accent, and then it's more of a cream color. It's not a white color, I would say. It's more of a cream color here. So anyway, yeah, it's basically a wraparound that is magnet. So let me see here. This thing goes in front. Let me move this out real quick. Yep. Wrap that in. Pretty cool, right? I mean, that's easy right there. That's super easy. Yeah. That's all I have to do. And when you're done with it, just unwrap this thing and take it back off. You're good to go. Yeah. So the Xbox power button, that fits there. There's holes for the USB port. And then there's holes for, obviously the disk drive. And over here, it's got some design on it that says like fan, power, disk, that kind of stuff. Okay. On the back, you can see that the way it's holding everything together is kind of wrap this thing right here with the magnet right there. Yeah. Got the hole for the vent right there. Obviously, all of this is exposed, so they didn't cover that up at all. And yeah. Looks good, right? I mean, and it's easy to just take out when you're done. I don't know. I'm a fan of these magnet type of design. What do you guys think? Let me know.